Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you watched my last video, you will remember we walked through the process of creating a company in SAP. That's a crucial first step in building your enterprise structure. If you haven't seen it yet, I recommend you to check it out in my channel. Also, I am going to provide the link in the description. Please go through it. In today's video, we are moving one step forward and I will show you how to create a company code in SAP, and also I will explain you the process of assigning company code to company. So the company code represents the smallest organizational unit for which you can draw individual financial statements like balance sheet and profit and loss statement. This is a key activity in SAP configuration. So let's dive straight into creation of company code in SAP. Go to T code SPRO, SAP reference IMG. Under this, go to enterprise structure, definitions. Under definitions, go to financial accounting. So let us first check the company code which the company which we have created yesterday. So this is CRME. Let us check that by positioning. So it's there, CRME, Chrome Retail Services. Now let us go back and create the company code. So here is the path: edit, copy, delete, check company code. Execute that. Now click on copy, delete, check company code. So basically how we create the company code is by copying the standard company code, that is 0001. Okay, now select that copy organizational object. Okay, from company, the standard company which you have to give 0001, SAP S Germany. So it's there. Now let us give the company code as per our requirement. So CRMS is our company code. It is asking for GL accounts. You want to allocate the same accounts and all. Do you want to copy the assignments of controlling area? If you want to copy, you can give yes, otherwise you should give no. Okay, certain data was not copied, that's fine. So these are the warning pop-ups. So you have to go through it. So do you really want to transport number range? No. Let us create our own number ranges. Okay, the TR has been created. That's it. Code 0001 copy to CRMS. Fine? Yeah. Now let's go back. Edit company code data. Choose position CRMS. Okay, it's there. So the company name here it is showing as SAP SC Germany STD. So let us edit it. Click on detail symbol. Change the company name to Chrome Retail Services, and city as you have given in creating company. The same way you should give it for the company code as well. So the currency is INR. Language is English. Fine. Now save it. Under the same TR, it got saved. Okay. So now go back. edit the company address and all. So here you can see the new whatever the new details we have given, that is coming properly. Okay, now go to company address. The title is company only, and the name is Chrome Retail Services. You should fill all these things and save it. So it got saved. You can double check whether it is properly reflecting or not. Okay, so now I will explain you how you can assign company code to company. Go to SPRO, SAP Reference IMG, Enterprise Structure. Here you can find the definitions and assignments. So we have defined the company and company code, right? So now let us go for the assignments. So financial accounting. Now you can see the first thing is there, assign company code to company, right? So now we'll execute that. So let us position our company code CRMS. So here is the CRMS, and let us give the company name CRME. Okay, the assignment is done. Now save it. Okay, it got saved. So in this way you can assign company code to company. So far we have covered how to create company code, and the assignment, how you can assign the company code to company. Now go to EC01. Now click on structure. Next, navigation. Here you just find out our company code details. So CRMS is our company. You can see the company CRME is assigned to company code CRMS. Along with that, the company is assigned to ABCO and CRM. Fine. The controlling area and credit control area, all these things are copied from the standard company code, which is 0001. Okay, thank you.